What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a click to tweet section or content into your WordPress website for free and without coding. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just international sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing to do is understand, okay? Imagine that you are reading some content and you see a section there you can click to tweet, for example, to share the content in a more personalized way on your Twitter or X account. How to do this? How to give this option to your blog viewers or visitors? First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to see a field next to keyword called Search Plugins. You're going to click on it and type Social Snap. Right here, we're going to be installing this plugin right here. Social Share buttons, social sharing icons, click to tweet, social media plugin by Social Snap. Now click into the Activate button. Click into the Activate button once again and it's gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page. Welcome to Social Snap. There's no much to do right here, okay? We're gonna click into Customize Social Snap. Nothing to worry, the plugin devs will try to sell you the pro version. We have no need for it and keep it for free, okay? So right here we are on the plugin customizer panel. And we have social sharing, social followers, and click to tweet. In previous video, we have explaining these two options right here, but we're gonna focus into this one right here, click to tweet. And here is the options we have. We can include the username or not. We can include the page link or not. I recommend to include. We can apply related accounts in the case that you need it or not. Once again, up to you, okay? You can type content right here, enter the first username, the second username, okay? We can hide this on mobile, and we can have a couple of different styles, okay? So we have a couple of layouts and styles to play with. We're gonna clip it into this option right here, the first one. After, hit the Save Change button, and let's make it work. Imagine that you are in one of your posts, okay? So let me go to WordPress dashboard, left sidebar of menus, posts, select one of my previously made posts, okay? In order to edit it. So here is my post. Let me apply some little bit more content. And right here, I would like to apply the click to tweet content. I'm gonna click into this plus button, call it add block, and right here we're gonna type into the search field social snap. And right here there is Social Snap, click to tweet with the old Twitter icon. And now all I have to do is enter my content, okay? So what would like to be tweeted? Hey, I'm learning WordPress here. Just like this, okay? You can type anything that you want. Now review the right sidebar of menus, okay? Sorry, the right sidebar of menus. I'm learning WordPress here. Tweet content. Just like this. Include page link, include username, and the advanced tab, and we have some styles to play with. If you keep this option empty, you're gonna use this option right here, okay? Now let's save the change. But how does the plugin knows what is our Twitter username, our main Twitter username? You need to tell the plugin. So let's go back from WordPress left sidebar of menus. Next to settings, there is social snap. Go to settings, submenu. Move to the site identity, and into X, we're gonna enter your X username just right here, okay? This is very, very important, okay? The @username, okay? After this, all we have to do is enter your content, update your post, and now if someone is reading this content and click right here, we're gonna automatically post this content on their X account or Twitter accounts, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library. With hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click for every single business style, premium themes, plugins, templates, options, icons, widgets, blocks, and many, many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!